Alright guys, so for today's video, we have a Kendama unboxing, and this is something that is very special to me, and I am so excited to open this because it is the return of Kandamico. They closed back in 2016, and I wasn't sure if they would ever come back, but earlier this year they announced the return under new ownership of Chad Covington, and so I'm just so excited to unbox another Kandamico Kendama after many years. And yeah, earlier this month they released their first batch of Kendamas, and obviously they had to go with one of their OG Kandamico designs, the KREAM. So this is what is in the package, and yeah, let's open it up and see what it looks like. Ooh. I'm so hyped for this. Wow. Look at that. The KREAM. So I didn't just buy one, but I bought two, so I can just sesh one and then keep one fresh and maybe leave it that way, or just have an extra backup just in case. Packing slip. Yep, two KREAMs. Wow. A lot of nostalgia opening a new Kandamico package for sure. Man, beautiful Kendamas. Leave one on the side, and then we'll just open this one right here. Or first we should take a look at the box, actually, the packaging. So it says Zen on the front of the box. On the side there's a little hole so you can feel the Kendama. This is what the back looks like. Logo's on the top. And the bottom, hashtag find your Zen. Yeah, this is very nice packaging. It was designed by Kelvin Wong, who is a pro at Seoul Kendamas. Let's open it up. Some stickers, some of like the OG stickers that they came with in the original Kandamico packaging, which is nice. Extra string and bearing bead. And then the Kendama, the KREAM. Man, this thing is beautiful. Love the red fade. White to red fade. So this shape is the Zen 2025 Zen shape. It is a maple ken and beech tama. Beech Tama is 62 millimeters, and this is their new Kenko sticky paint, which feels very sticky. Bevel size, pretty solid. Comes in the black string, and then their Ken 2025 Zen shape. I'm excited to try this one out for sure. Like a nice bullet tip spike, which is what I prefer. Pretty thick rims on the cup actually. Should be great for stalls. And the logo on the front, which is similar to their older logo. But what I'm extremely excited about is that they don't have a base cup hole. I like how it kind of keeps the integrity of the kendama shape without having a base cup hole, because obviously that's what kendama started off as, with no base cup hole. And so what Chad did is he tried to have no base cup hole but still make it good for lunars. So it's a test of lunars. It's actually pretty nice. If I ever had a pro model kendama, I would have no base cup hole, and I would try to just make it as good for lunars as I could. Yeah, I'm just so excited to jam this one. Should be pretty good for slingers too without the base cup hole. Man, it's just so nice to hold a Kandamico kendama again. I miss this. Well, yeah, that does it for the Kandamico unboxing of the KREAM. Just huge props to Chad and just the staff for just making this happen again, for bringing back Kandamico. I know so many people miss this company, but we're glad it's back. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.